Hello, welcome to MagicDoor Tutorials. Today I want to show you guys how to create a custom runbook in MagicDoor. So first you'll just want to access the runbooks by going to maintenance in the left side navigation bar. Click on AI runbooks. MagicDoor is going to come with a couple of runbooks, but you can add your own. And just a quick overview, a runbook is what our AI is going to use to engage with a tenant about a maintenance request. So it's going to make initial contact, it's going to ask questions, and then it'll give it an urgency score, so on and so forth. So to create a custom runbook, there's a couple different steps we have to do. First, click on one of the runbooks. I'm gonna click on this garbage disposal not working and click on the script. Here you can see an example of how this runbook is gonna play out. It's gonna greet the tenant, ask some basic questions, do some troubleshooting, and then accelerate it if 1, 2, 3, or 4 things are happening. There's also going to be some safety first notes, clear communication. And we really just want to replicate this for whatever maintenance item we want to add. So how we're going to do that is actually just copying this whole thing, Command C, and we're going to go to ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT by just typing in chatgpt.com in your search bar. It's free to use. And then just go to a new chat, paste that script, and then there's a couple things you'll want to ask it to do with this script. I will leave all of this down in the description so you can just copy and paste it. So this is what I've typed out. We're going to review this maintenance runbook script and create a new one in the same format regarding a maintenance request for, into your thing, I'm gonna do a broken glass window. Number each title and use Roman numerals for the action items, and then just press go. Give ChatGPT a second to type it all out for you. The thing with ChatGPT is sometimes you have to ask it to make some changes. So 2 big changes that I would want to make here is remove the lines, like these lines right here, in between titles, and remove the bullet points. We don't need those. The other thing with ChatGPT is you can ask it to make any changes. So if you're reading through the script and some of it doesn't quite make sense or fit how you actually want it to solve the problems or whatever it is, that can all be adjusted, and then you can also just do that manually. So I would recommend just doing it manually. So now that ChatGPT has done a bulk of the work, we're just gonna copy it, go back to MagicDoor, and then you're just gonna simply press Create Custom Runbook. Give it a title, I'll just call this Broken Window for now, and then enter in that script and press Submit. You can also add a default vendor, so every time a maintenance request is submitted with this, once it's accelerated to being a work order, you can add a vendor it's gonna be attached with, and then also a property manager it'll be attached with. Now let's go to that script. Now you can also compare the ChatGPT runbook to one of MagicDoor's runbooks just to make sure it has all the same basic things. You want to just make sure that there's going to be initial contact, gathering basic information, troubleshooting, and then the acceleration criteria. Then you can go in and make any changes that you would like. So to make any changes, just go back, and then here where you're under all of your custom runbooks, click this little 3 dot and then press edit. So here's your script. And if there's something you want to change, you can go ahead and change that. So if you don't like its initial response to the tenant, you can completely change this to say something else. Same with the gathering basic information questions. If you don't like these questions, then go ahead and change them. So on and so forth throughout the whole script. You can customize the entire thing to be exactly how you want it. Once you make all your changes, just press Submit. Once again, you can click on any of your runbooks and adjust the vendor attached and the property manager attached. And at any point, you can turn on or off any of the runbooks, whether these are the MagicDoor runbooks or your own custom runbooks. So for instance, AC issues might not be a thing in the winter. You could just turn it off and then turn it on in the summer. However you want to run your maintenance is up to you. So that's how you create your own custom runbook.